No way, yo. I think I just came up with an idea. Hang on. Can you twist the body? No, you cannot twist the body on the other side. All right. How about like this? Hair, careful. Careful. Ooh, perfect. Yes. Oh my god, how in the world I came up with this idea, man? Look at the nice rainbow effect. It will block the entire thing, dude. Like, look at this. Motherboard get melted because of the heat. Oh my god, bro. Come on. This whole thing took me literally all day and nothing got done today. This 8.8-inch screens are like a total eye scam for me because it's like the Amazon and AliExpress, when you see that visually, it's look like, oh, this is the one, this is gonna fit in. The way they look at it, like look at how tall this thing look like, right? Like look at the marketing. It looks super duper tall. Like it looks like it's huge, like oh my god. And even the boxing too, it look like gonna fit the whole thing, right? But guess what? That's a negative. You open this, and by the way, this is jonsbo D31, like a lot of people are talking about this. Then the screens comes out. If you need a side thing, then I'm gonna have to remove that side panels to put this one in. Okay, I'm gonna put this one in, and then look how small it is. Look at this. Look, so it gives you SD card. Good job. Okay, I don't know why you gave me SD card. I'll put a video loop inside. Look at this. It's too tiny. Look, no, that's not what I want. I need it a little bit more bigger. I could, but I want that whole thing to be filled up. This is not it. This is definitely not it. Like I need bigger. There's nobody, no YouTuber is talking about this. They give me a clip. They give me a clip that you can hook it like this. No, I don't want to do that because if I do that, then I'm not gonna be able to see my nzxt screen. Okay, this is also not good. I have an empty spot over here. I want to hide this spot. That's it. No. Okay, you do this, there will be a little gap over here. You put this, there's gonna be a little gap over there. Like none of them is okay. This whole thing took me literally all day, right? Then I ordered a few things that's not gonna fit in. Like this 2 thing I ordered that's not gonna fit in. I wasted literally more than an hour on this. It did not work out, right? This did not gonna, like, it's not gonna work. Look at all these boxes. It used to be a mess all over the thing, right? But look, this thing not gonna fit in. Okay, no, these were way too, that was easy. Okay, thank god the LED strip was easy. Then my motherboard was not booting up, so it took me a long time. Then this fan is not lighting up, so something went wrong. You know, like I don't want to even open this side. Like if you, like I literally built a plane today. Like you have no idea, it was so much. Like, you know, I didn't have a lunch today. I didn't have to use the bathroom. It was crazy. So this one I'm gonna have to get rid of it, like no. And this one, this, look at this on the picture, look like, oh, it's so big, right? You know, like 8.8-inch. Okay, that's all I want. 8.8, 9.9, right? But guess what, this thing is so tiny. There's a little gap over here. No, if I put this like this, it's gonna be gap underneath. No, I need the whole panels to be covered. You can say, okay, I can put it over here. Okay, the screen. No, if I put the screen over here, how I'm gonna fit Jada and Talisha? How I'm gonna fit in Jada and Sabrina in this side? Like how, like look at this. Oh, and by the way, I got this. So I got this. I'm raising this thing up. This cable, look at this. New cables, all of this mess, all of them. And the other side, you don't want to know. And look at this. All right, so look at this. How I'm gonna do this. The screen is not working. It's 30 degree. Okay, how I'm gonna fit her in, that's my question. Like, look at her here. Look at this mess. Hang on, stand by. Okay, wait, let me fix this. All right, so if you put her, how she's gonna fit in, and if the fan gonna pull up her hair, hang on. So you can like probably, the problem is her knees does not like what do you call fold. So you can't even fold this thing. So only one way to do it is do like this, and maybe fit her in like this. But then again, you have to be careful on the fan here. Wait, careful. Yeah, it's not gonna fit in. No, it's not gonna fit in. If I would have been put in like this, how is it gonna work? You know, the head's gonna, so this is a problem. So the only way, like if you put it in the GPU, you can, because there's a fan. The problem is this girl is a problem because her curls are keep getting stuck on the, what do you call, on the fan over and over. So if I were to put it like this, let's do this here, hang on. If you were to go like this, you see again the folding leg issues. If I put it like this, her hair got stuck multiple times at the top. Whoa, wait, careful. It's not It's not. And look at it. There's no way I can close this case. Look at this. It's all about to touch. You see, I'm not gonna do that. Look, you see, it's about to get stuck right now. So no, I cannot do it like that. So I don't know how I'm gonna work this thing out. If you could have put just one, maybe one, I don't know. If you would have put one, still not, because look at her shoes, her heels. Even this girl's got a big heels. So I don't know how that's gonna fit in. Look. No way, yo. I think I just came up with an idea. Hang on. Can you twist the body? No, you cannot twist the body on the other side. All right. How about like this? Look at the nice rainbow effect. That's so cute. Okay, like this. And then you put it like this. Wait a second. No way. Here. Careful. Careful. Ooh, perfect. Yes. Oh my God. How in the world I came up with this idea, man? Okay, put this and then twist this thing like this and make sure that thing does not get stuck over. Okay, like that. So she's gonna be like, hey, look at me, like this. You know, and people can still see it if you close that with that. Look at this. It worked. Wait, tilt it back a little bit. Yeah, here we go. Boom, boom. Okay, perfect. As long as that heat sink will not like destroy the hairs, but we'll just, this is perfect. Look at this. Yeah, it worked. Okay, so then the black girl, we can put Jade, Tanisha. Where's her back? Yeah, she have her back. Oh, got stuck. You see? You see, I told you it would have happened. You see, it would have get stuck. And look, her hair got messed up again. Give me 1 second, stand by. Now you got to fix her hair. The curls used to be better, but then look, if you see there's any issue with the curls, that means the fan got stuck last time. Look at this. Okay, this is good. Okay, if we can somehow, but again, I don't want to tie it up. This is like the classic style. Make sure the heels do not touch it. Where is your heels? Negative on the heels. Yeah, heels is not touching it. Good job. Do this to her. Same thing like this. I don't think it's gonna work. Okay, like this. Now you got stuck. Wow. Oh my God, bro, come on. Okay, we got a slight little problems here. So I did this, but the thing is, now this pipe gonna block her. Okay, we turn off the fan just to be safe. Okay, how in the world we're gonna see sweetheart face, and then her ass gonna touch my fan? Look at the thing. This is gonna be a problem because look at where she's sitting. She's sitting right on the fan. That's gonna be a problem. So, my God, how I'm gonna do this? Hang on, stand by, guys, stand by. Or maybe we can cross her leg. Negative. Maybe we can cross her leg like this. No, you know what? Hang on. The whole hair blocks the whole thing. How I'm gonna see nzxt? It will block the entire thing, dude. Like, look at this. And if I were to put this, God forbid, the motherboard get melted because of the heat. This is gonna be a problem. Look. I like this though. I like how it's hanging over here. This is good. Or we can just do it like this here. Like that's a good one. But now this one, hang on. Let's say I'll take a risk. But then this might get burned one day, you know. And how I'm gonna put my fan here? I'm supposed to put a fan inside, you know. So here she is sitting over there because we have one fan underneath. Just so you know, underneath we have a fan. So her. Now look at this, is so cool. But then her, how I'm gonna put her, because look, her heels is already touching this. Okay, here, move this, move out. Here, so I fit her in, but I can barely see her face. But this one, look, I put her, but this pipe is blocking. So anyway, to take care of the fan, we'll just rise her up on the pipe. Here, how about this? We'll rise her up on the pipe. Here it is. Boom, boom, boom. Like this. That's it. If you put it like that, we can somehow put a bracket underneath and we can just make this work. Jesus Christ, girl, sorry. I have to put you guys on vacation right now. I have a lot of shit to do right now. I really can't, man. I don't know how I'm gonna bring this to Times Square or in the airport over.